Hello, dear listeners. Dear listeners, we are doing Unit 6 Adverb, and in this unit, we have discussed about the words that tell something more about the verb in the sentence are adverbs, and we have read uh, where the action take place, then how the action take place, okay, and when the action take place, and how often the action is done. So all these words we have used to complete the worksheets are adverbs. So today we will take the next exercise, which is given on page number 52. Do it yourself. Let's start with this exercise. Exercise 1. Write a suitable adverb in each blank. So यहाँ पे पैराग्राफ दिया गया है और हमें यहाँ पर जो सुटेबल एडवर्ब है उसे लिखना है और इसका सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. राजीव वॉच्ड द टेलीविज़न हैप्पीली. ठीक है, तो वॉच टू किस एडवर्ब ने एक्सप्लेन किया था? हैप्पीली ने, वर्ड ने. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट. ही वॉज waiting dash for his friends to arrive. So he was waiting eagerly. So we will write here eagerly, E-A-G-E-R-L-Y, eagerly. He was waiting eagerly for his friends to arrive. Now the next line is, he heard someone knocking at the door dash. So he heard someone knocking at the door loudly. So we write loudly here, L-O-U-D-L-Y, loudly. He heard someone knocking at the door loudly. It must be my friend, he thought dash. It must be my friend, he thought cheerfully. 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 It's 5. It must be my friend, he thought cheerfully. He rushed to the door dash and opened the door dash. So he rushed to the door hurriedly, 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 and opened the door quickly, QUICKLY, quickly. He rushed to the door hurriedly and opened the door quickly. There was no one at the door. He was about to turn back when he heard his friend sing happy birthday dash. So he was about to turn back when he heard his friend sing happy birthday sweetly. So we will write sweetly here. He welcomed them dash. He welcomed them gladly. GLADLY, gladly. Right? So dear student, what you can write your own choice of word to fill this blank. तो ये मैंने आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए लिखती हैं। आप अपने चॉइस के वर्ड भी जो है एडवर्ब जो आप यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। नाउ एक्सरसाइज 2, you tell your friends about a dance performance you have seen. Following is the conversation you have with her. Complete it using suitable word. So आप ये बता रहे हैं कि एक डांस परफॉर्मेंस हुई है जो आपने देखी है और आप उस कन्वर्सेशन आप बता रहे हैं, अपने फ्रेंड को डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, तो हमें सुटेबल वर्ड्स जो है इस कन्वर्सेशन में फिल करने हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। यू, लास्ट नाइट we went to see a dance performance. Friend, your friend, how did the dancer perform? You, she danced very dash. So she danced very gracefully. G R A C E F U L L Y. Gracefully, it's A. So she danced very gracefully. GRACEFULLY, gracefully. Your friend, what was the response of the audience? You, people liked it so much that they clapped cheerfully. CHEERFULLY, cheerfully. Fine. So we will write cheerfully. People liked it so much that they clapped cheerfully. Next, your friend, I wish I too could have seen it. Were there any vacant seats? You, some seats behind us lay unoccupied for some time. Your friend, really? You, yes, but they too were dash occupied. Two were soon, SOON, soon occupied. Some people are in the habit of dash arriving late. Some people are in habit of usually arriving late. You can write often. It's up to you. If you want to write your choice of word here, you can write to complete this conversation. Now I will discuss the next exercise, which is given on page number 53. Exercise 3. In the following passage, one word is missing in each line. So यहाँ पे हमें पैसेज दिया गया है और यहाँ पर क्या है, जो वन वर्ड है वो बिल्कुल मिस है. स्लैश हैज़ बीन प्लेस्ड हियर, द वर्ड इज़ मिसिंग. और जहाँ पर वर्ड मिसिंग है वहाँ पर क्या प्लेस किया गया है, स्लैश को प्लेस्ड किया गया है. राइट द मिसिंग वर्ड इन द स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड. तो जहाँ पर स्पेस दिया गया है हमें उस मिसिंग वर्ड को यहाँ पर लिखना है. द फर्स्ट वन हैज़ बीन डन एज एन एग्जाम्पल. तो फर्स्ट वन जो उन्होंने एज एग्जाम्पल हमारे लिख कर रखा है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. माई मदर कुक्स, सो स्लैश वेल. नेक्स्ट लाइन. शी slash bakes a cake on my birthday. She always, so we will write always here, ALWAYS. She always bakes a cake on my birthday. Now I slash invite my friends to a feast. So I usually, so we will write usually here. I usually invite my friends to a feast. This year my house was dash full of children. So this year my house was again full of children. AGAIN. Again full of children. My mother had slash seen so many of us gathered at one time. My mother had never, so we will write never, NEVER, never seen so many of us gathered at one time. So dear student, here we have done and complete our unit. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.